Hey, who is that in there? Who is it?
Take a picture. Funny in there.
Oh, that's just dandy.
Hello.
Very fun. Hey, there's the American flag.
Hey, no. Don't wave it. Don't wave it. I know. What? What? The bag. Well,
You guys don't play on that snow hill because remember that's the one for the snowboard. Let's go here. Somebody go show me how you can go through the tunnel. Can you go through that tunnel, Mark? Is that a meteor from outer space? Don't break the tunnel. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Mark! Mark, look at me. Shawnee, look at me.
Whoa! Whoa, big! A huge Whoa!
Sean, wait, stop. Say cheese.